Hi everyone, let's see how to convert a Canva presentation to Google Slides. First of all, I need to download this presentation. Here on the top right corner, you can see share button. Just click on it. And here you can see download on the bottom. Just click download. And here you can see file type. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to choose this one, PPTX. It is supported by Microsoft PowerPoint document. Just click on it and make sure PPTX is selected. Now hit this download button. Just click on it and here you can see the file is downloading. Okay, the download is complete and now open Google Slides, docs.google.com/presentation, and here you can see a big button, blank presentation. Just click on it. And I have got a new Google slide presentation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to import the PPT file. So let's click here on this file and here you can see import slides. Just click import slides and here you can see this window. I have downloaded the file on my hard disk. So here you can see upload button. Just click on it and here you can see browse. Just click browse and here is the file. Just select the file and hit open and the digital marketing presentation file is uploading. It shows the number of slides. I have got 10 slides and here you can see select all slides button. Just click on it and all the slides are selected. And now here you can see keep original theme. Make sure this box is checked. Now finally hit this import slides button. Just click on it. Well friends, it's fantastic. All the slides are imported perfectly and it works smoothly